Teacher, this is the third class, na?
चैताली मिस.
हाँ सर बोला.
हा ते फ्लायर दिसत नाही.
ऍक्च्युली हा मी फ्लायरच करते पण थोडं
Okay, okay.
ते करते.
ओके ओके.
Hello, Akshay sir.
येस मॅम.
Yeah, please give them the instructions how to sit, whether you required a mats or what, right? By that time,
Okay.
other children will join on YouTube, right?
ओके मॅम. ओके मॅम.
Yeah.
So students, parents, teachers, you will sit down on the floor with a proper mat or any bed sheet you can take, or bed sheet you can take to sit. Nobody will sit on chairs or bed or anything. You have to sit down on the floor.
झाड अनंत झा
क्लियर है kan
You can wear any comfortable uniform in which you are comfortable. Students, you have to wear a comfortable clothes in which you are comfortable to do yoga. Everyone will sit down on the floor on proper mat or bed sheet. Nobody will sit on chairs, table or bed.
तो ठेवते असं लांब.
तिकडून कशी करू?
Everyone, please mute yourself. Please mute yourself.
पण अजिबात टच नको ना कोण तुझे हाथ के पहले सैनिटाइज करते.
Shubhra Pimple, please mute yourself. Shubhra Pimple.
Anjana ma'am,
Yes, Akshay sir.
should we start?
Yes, just ask teachers whether they have sent the YouTube link for the other children. Yes,
Okay.
teachers.
Class teachers, have you sent YouTube link to your students?
Yes, class both sent.
Yes,
Both classes.
Sent.
Okay.
Please instruct students to switch on the cameras, right? Those who are attending
Yes.
on Zoom.
So, ma'am, can I start?
Shall I ask?
Yes,
one
please start.
Okay.
Teacher, I'm for third A.
Good afternoon, students. Please, everyone will on their videos and off your audio. सभी को अपने वीडियोस को ऑन करना है और ऑडियोस को ऑफ करना है. Okay. Good afternoon to everyone. I, Mr. Akshay Vilas Kanvilkar, on behalf of Srimati Taramai Vartak Memorial Academy, welcomes you all on 7th International Day of Yoga 2021. International Yoga Day was celebrated throughout the world on 21st June 2015. It was declared by Indian Prime Minister Narendra Singh Modi to the United Nations of General Assembly in the year 27 September 2014 during his address to the UN General Assembly. Yoga is an ancient activity and discipline. It is related to achieving physical, mental, and spiritual health. It includes breathing exercises. It also includes various postures, chants, mantras, and meditation. So, are you all ready for the yoga day?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So, everyone will stand up. Everyone will stand up. So, we'll start with the session with the small prayer. Okay. Stand it is attention. Stand it is attention. Stand it is attention. Join your hands. Close your eyes. Chaitali Miss, let's start the prayer.
Yes, sir.
Everyone will join their hands and close your eyes.
Parade, stand at ease. Attention, stand at ease. Yam ram.
Hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Someone is sharing their video. That's why it is unable to share. Please tell them to stop.
Students, please stop sharing videos. Nobody will share anything during this session. Yes, miss. Play the video.
Parade. Stand at ease. Attention. Stand at ease. Attention. Join your hands. Close your eyes. Start prayer. Yam Brahma Varunendra स्तुन्वन्ति वेदैः साङ्गपदाक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगा ज्ञानावस्थिततत् घटेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनो यस्यान्तं न विदुस्तुरसुरगणा देवाय तस्मै नमः या कुन्देरुतुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्तामृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्कर प्रभुदिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा.
Slowly rub your palms. Plan your eyes and slowly open your eyes. Okay, so our next is Gayatri Mantra. So everyone will sit down. बैठेंगे, बैठ जाओ. Everyone will sit down. Fold your legs. Hands on your knees. अभी हमें 3 times गायत्री मंत्र बोलना है. पहले मैं बोलूंगा, मेरे पीछे आप बोलोगे. Okay, so 3 times we will sing गायत्री मंत्र. Okay, hold your legs, join your hands, close your eyes.
Samarth Bedkar and Swastika Dubey, mute yourself.
You will sing behind me. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tasya Vidurvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tasya Vidurvarenyam भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तस्य विदुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। Rub your palms. Open your eyes. Slowly open your eyes. Very good. Now next, we'll do chanting of Om. सभी को पता होगा हम ओम की चैंटिंग कैसे करते हैं, तो वैसे ही हमें आज भी ओम की चैंटिंग करनी है 5 टाइम्स। फर्स्ट हम ब्रीद इन करेंगे, ब्रीद इन करने के बाद हमें उसको होल्ड करना है, और जब भी हम लोग रिलीज करेंगे, ब्रीद आउट करेंगे, तभी हमें ओम का उच्चार करना है। ओके, सो एवरीवन fold your legs, sit straight, hands on your knees, eyes closed. Breathe in, out. Om. Breathe in, out. Breathe in, out. Breathe in, out. Breathe in, out. Relax. Rub your palms. Open your eyes. Slowly open your eyes. Very good. So we are start with our session with prayer, Gayatri Mantra, and chanting of Om. So before starting with our asanas, we'll do some warm-up exercises. Okay, so everyone will stand up. सभी को खड़ा होना है. Stand up, all of you. Very good. So अभी हम warm-up exercise करेंगे before doing asanas. Okay. So first we'll start with jogging. हमें jogging करना है. सभी को jogging करना है. Very good. Jogging करो. Body को warm करना है हमें. तो हमें जॉगिंग करना है. वेरी गुड. रिलैक्स, रिलैक्स. स्टॉप होना है, हैंड्स को नीचे करना है. अभी हमें शोल्डर लेवल डिस्टेंस हमारे फीट्स के बीच में लेना है, जैसे हर वक्त हम करते हैं. शोल्डर लेवल डिस्टेंस बिटवीन योर फीट्स, hands on your hips. Okay, now we'll do some exercises. Hands on your hips. Okay, now first neck exercise, up and down. Start. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Relax. Now sideways, sideways. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Relax. Now we have to do neck rotation. हमें neck rotation करना है. Left to right 4 times and right to left 4 times. So first we'll start from left side. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax. Now shoulder rotation. Both the hands you will keep आपके palm shoulder पे रखने. Okay. Now forward rotation. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shabash. Hands down. Now hand rotation. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Shabash. Now next exercise is forward bend and backward bend. Next exercise is forward bend and backward bend. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Change. Now side bends. जैसे हमने आगे और पीछे किया उसी तरह हम लोग sideways करेंगे. Ready? Start. Left, right, left, right. Very good. Left, right, left, right. Relax. Now next is hip rotation. Hip rotation. So left to right 4 times and right to left 4 times. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax. Now stretch your legs. Legs को stretch करो. So now we have to do alternate toe touch. With your right hand, you will touch your left toe, and with your left hand, you will touch your right toe. Okay? Alternate toe touch. Ready? हमें 10 counts करने हैं. 10 count. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Change. Very good. Relax. Come back to your normal position. Very good. So हमें अभी वार्म अप एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं, तो अभी हम आसनास के लिए रेडी है. ओके, सो एवरीवन विल सिट डाउन. वेरी गुड. फोल्ड योर लेग्स. So our first is pranayam. So first we'll do pranayam. प्राणायाम में हमें अनुलोम विलोम करना है. अनुलोम विलोम. So कैसे करना है पहले मैं आपको बताऊंगा, उसके बाद फिर हम साथ में करेंगे. First I will explain you how to do, and afterwards together we'll do. Okay. In Anulom Vilom, we have to breathe in by one nostril and breathe out by other nostril. Okay. So with your right hand thumb, you will close your right nostril, and last 3 fingers you will use it to close the left nostril. Okay. So with 4 counts, you will breathe in. After that, with your 3 fingers, you will close the right nostril and you will hold for 4 seconds. And while breathe out, you will open your right nostril. जहाँ पे आपका थंब है, वो नॉस्ट्रिल को आपको ओपन करना है और वहां से हम ब्रीद आउट करेंगे. फिर वापस से वहीं से हम ब्रीद इन करेंगे 4 काउंट्स में. फिर थंब से राइट नॉस्ट्रिल को बंद करेंगे और जहां पे हमारे 3 फिंगर्स है लेफ्ट नॉस्ट्रिल, वहां हम लोग क्या करेंगे, ब्रीद आउट करेंगे. अंडरस्टूड? स्टार्ट. थंब ऑन योर राइट नॉस्ट्रिल. वेरी गुड. ब्रीद इन, होल्ड, क्लोज योर लेफ्ट नॉस्ट्रिल for 4 seconds. Breathe out with your right nostril. जहां पे आपका थंब है उसको ओपन करो और ब्रीद आउट करो. अभी जहां से हमने ब्रीद आउट किया वहीं से हमें ब्रीद इन करना है. ब्रीद इन, क्लोज, आउट. Breathe in, hold, breathe out. Breathe in, hold, Breathe out. Breathe in. Hold. Breathe out. Breathe in. Hold. Breathe out. Relax. Rub your palms. Open your eyes. Relax. So till here, have you all enjoyed?
Yes,
Okay, super.
Yes,
So next we'll start with asanas.
Yes, sir.
So everyone will stand up.
Yes, sir.
ओके तो अभी हम आसन्स करेंगे. आसन्स करते वक्त पहले मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि आसन कैसे करना है. तभी सिर्फ आपको देखना है और उसके बाद फिर हम साथ में करेंगे. ओके जब भी पहले बार मैं करूंगा तभी आपको देखना है. Nobody will do that time. Okay. Second time when we'll do that time we'll do it together. Okay. So our first asan is Vrikshasana. Vrikshasana. Okay. So first see. You have to stand in attention position. Slowly you will take your right leg and you will keep near your left thigh. अभी सिर्फ देखना है. You will join your hands and stretch your hands towards your head. And you will hold the position for 10 seconds. Slowly, hands down. Take your right leg and put it back to its place. Relax. Okay. तो सभी ने देखा है कि वृक्षासन कैसे किया जाता है.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now everybody will do together. Okay. Attention. Attention. Okay. Slowly take your right leg and keep on your left inner thigh. Left inner thigh के पास आपको रखना है. Very good. Join your hands and slowly stretch your hands above the head and hold the position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Slowly hands down. Very good. Put your right leg down. शाबाश. Very good. तो वृक्षासन ये आसन हम लोग बॉडी बैलेंस के लिए करते हैं. वृक्षासन आसन इज डन टू बैलेंस आवर बॉडी. हमारी बॉडी कैसे बैलेंस हो सकती है ये प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए हम लोग वृक्षासन ये आसन को करते हैं. ओके. सो नाउ आवर नेक्स्ट आसन इज उस्त्रासन. हमारा नेक्स्ट आसन है उस्त्रासन. अगेन सेम थिंग. फर्स्ट यू विल सी ये आसन कैसे करना है. उसके बाद फिर हम साथ में करेंगे. ओके. तो उस्त्रासन ये आसन आपको लेफ्ट साइड टर्न होना है या फिर राइट साइड. स्लोली यू विल सिट डाउन ऑन योर नीज. One by one, you will take your hands. First right hand, you will move behind and you will keep on your right ankle. And slowly left hand you will move behind and keep on your left ankle. Slowly you will put your neck down, back side, and you will stretch your body forward. Again, slowly come back to your position. Slowly stand up, back to normal. Okay. तो उस्त्रासन सभी को समझ में आया कैसे करना है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Turn to your right or left side, whichever is comfortable. Turn to your left or right side, whichever is comfortable. Very good. Slowly sit down on your knees. Very good. So first, put your right hand behind and hold your right ankle. Very good. Second, put your left hand behind and keep on your left ankle. Put your neck behind and stretch your front body forward and hold the position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. पहले राइट हैंड को आगे ले आना है. Then left hand. Slowly stand up. Turn. Very good. So उस्त्रासन, ये आसन में हमारी फुल बॉडी के मसल स्ट्रेच होते हैं, जैसे कि नेक के मसल स्ट्रेच हुए, चेस्ट के मसल स्ट्रेच हुए, कोर मसल स्ट्रेच हुए एंड लेग्स के मसल्स भी स्ट्रेच हुए. मीन्स एंटायर बॉडी मसल्स आर स्ट्रेच ड्यूरिंग उस्त्रासन. Okay, very good. So now our next asan is Bhujangasan. Bhujangasan, ये आसन आप घर पे भी कभी ना कभी करते होंगे, बट आपको पता नहीं होगा कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं. बट आज अभी हम करेंगे तभी आपको समझ में आएगा. ओके, सो फर्स्ट यू विल सी हाउ टू डू Bhujangasan. ओके, first we'll sit down. Slowly from your right side or left side, you will lie down on your stomach. Your chin will be touching to the floor. Your hands will be facing towards your feet. Okay. Now slowly take your right hand near your chest. Slowly take your left hand towards your left side. Slowly pick up your upper body and look towards sky and hold the position. Slowly come down, touch your chin to the floor. Same, right hand को अपनी जगह पे ले जाना है. Then left hand and slowly you will come up. come back to the normal position. Understood? भुजंगासन कैसे करते हैं?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so everyone sit down. Be ready. Hold your legs. Very good. Slowly, slowly lie down on your stomach from any side. Touch your chin to the floor. Hands will be down towards the feet. Slowly bring your right hand towards your chest. Next, bring your left hand near your chest. Slowly bring your upper body up and look towards the sky and hold the position for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Slowly come down. Right hand, take it to its position. Then left hand, take him back to his position. And slowly come up back to your place. Very good. So this was a Bhujangasana. In Bhujangasana, your upper body muscles get stretched, neck, chest muscles, core muscles, and hand muscles. Means upper body. Waist के ऊपर का जो पार्ट है उसके सब मसल्स स्ट्रेच होते हैं और बैक के मसल्स भी स्ट्रेच होते हैं. Okay. So now our next asana is Vajrasana. So Vajrasana also starts with this position. पहले हमें ऐसे ही बैठना है. With fold your legs and sit straight. Slowly, one by one, legs को stretch करना है सामने की. Then left leg, sit straight. Take your right leg, fold it and keep near your seat. Then take your left leg, fold it and keep under your seat. Okay. Hands on your knees. Look straight. Back straight. Very good. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Slowly. हमें one by one एक एक पैरों को रिलीज करना है. Then second leg. And slowly come back to your normal position. Okay. So everyone understood how Vajrasana is being done?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
सभी को
Ustrasana.
please mute yourself. Okay. So now together we'll do it. Okay. Stretch your legs one by one. Stretch your legs. Very good. Now left leg. दोनों legs को सामने ले आना है. Very good. Now first right leg. You will fold it and you will keep under your seat. Next, right leg. Very good. Spine को erect रखना है, straight. Keep your hands on your knees. Look straight. Hold the position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Slowly release your right leg. Slowly release your left leg. Very good. Right leg को अपनी जगह पे ले आना है. After that, left. Very good. So this is Vajrasan. Vajrasan is been practiced for our immune system. Immune system strong करने के लिए हम वज्रासन की practice करते हैं. And in Vajrasan, it stretches our quadriceps muscles. Quadriceps muscles यानी कि हमारे thighs है. उसका अपर पार्ट है ये वाला, इसे हम quadriceps muscles बोलते हैं. तो ये मसल्स वज्रासन में स्ट्रेच होते हैं. ओके.
Sir, it also helps in digestions.
Yes. Right. Very good. So now our next is Bhadrasan. So now our next asan is Bhadrasan. Okay. Again, same thing. Slowly you will stretch your legs one by one. पहले आपको देखना है. Okay. First right leg you will take and you will keep near your left thigh. Then you will take your left leg and you will join both the feet. जैसे हम नमस्कार करते हैं वैसे हमें feet से करना है. Okay. After that you will hold both the feet. उसको hold करना है और slowly हमें butterfly जैसे birds उनके feathers को swing कर दे वैसे हमें उनको क्या करना है, shake करना है, swing करना है slowly. Okay. Relax. Slowly legs को relax करना है और वापस उनको उनके जगह पे ले आना है. Okay. So now together we'll do Bhadrasan. Okay. So one by one, stretch your leg. First right leg. Take your right leg and stretch it. Very good. After that, left leg. Very good. Take your right leg and keep towards your left thigh. Take your left leg and keep towards your right feet. Hold both the feet with your hand. Sit straight. and start swinging your legs slowly. Slowly. आपके इनर थाई के मसल्स पे प्रेशर आता होगा, जिसको कहते हैं ग्रोइन मसल्स. ग्रोइन मसल्स जो हमारे इनर थाई के पास होते हैं, ग्रोइन मसल्स, वो स्ट्रेच होते हैं. ओके, वेरी गुड. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Relax. Stop. Okay. Leave your feet and slowly stretch your legs one by one. Very good. Bring it back to its normal position. Okay. So everyone must have enjoyed the asanas which we have done.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
okay.
sir.
So now last thing is meditation. Meditation हमें करना है.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Everyone will fold their legs. Sit straight. Close your eyes. जब मैं breathe in कहूंगा तो breathe in करना है. जब out कहूंगा तभी out करना है. ओके, ऐसे हमें 10 times करना है. ओके, close your eyes. Start. Breathe in. Out. Breathe in. Out. Breathe in. Out. Breathe in. Out. Breathe in. Breathe 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 out. Slowly rub your palms. Apply on your eyes. Slowly open your eyes. Very good. So how you are feeling now?
Nice. Nice.
Nice. Better.
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 So think if you doing it regularly, so how you will
Comfortable.
feel. Yes or no? Very good.
Yes.
Okay, so now I will tell you the benefits of yoga doing regularly. Okay, yoga improves the strength, balance, and flexibility of your body. Yoga also helps you to keep your heart health fit, fine, and healthy. Yoga also helps you to manage your stress. Yoga freshen up your moods and feels you better throughout the day. Whenever you do yoga, you feel energetic and active. Yoga relaxes your body, which helps you to sleep better. Yoga connects you with supportive community. Yoga also helps us to relax, calm your mind and soul. Okay, so we have celebrated 7th International Yoga Day 2021. So everyone must have enjoyed the session. Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
now,
Yes.
so now there is one video for you. You have to sit quiet in same position with your fold legs and spine erect and hands on your knees. You will watch out the video. Okay, Chaitali Miss,
Yes, sir.
please share the video.
Okay.
Please mute yourself, everyone. सभी को अपने ऑडियोज म्यूट करने हैं. ऑडियोज को म्यूट करो.
Tanvi Shetty.
लाइव आहे लाइव पप्पा आहे लाइव मीटिंग काय लाइव
Tanvi Shetty.
मीटिंग लिव करते
Yes, sir. Please give me 1 minute.
योगा क्लासेस going on ना.
और एक सानवी में तेरी इस क्लास में मेरे साथ जैसी और एक है
What you are doing? Chaitali Miss.
Yes, sir. Please give me 1 minute.
Yes, yes. Okay, okay.
Yes. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
क्या है आपका पार्सल आया
Hello.
Yes.
टीचर दिखा रही है ये क्या आपका है और वो क्या है मम्मी का है
जब देख लिया
Hello.
Yes.
टीचर ये क्या आपका है
Sanvi Shetty, please mute yourself. Sanvi Shetty.
और वो क्या है मम्मी का है
चैताली मिस जब देख लिया मी इकडून स्क्रीन शेअर केली
Hello.
येस
टीचर ये क्या आपका है
Sanvi Shetty, please mute yourself. Sanvi Shetty. Teacher, no button you remove.
चैताली मिस जब देख लिया मी इकडून स्क्रीन शेअर केली
Hello.
येस
ये क्या आपका है
Sanvi Shetty, please mute yourself. Sanvi Shetty. Teacher, no button you remove.
चैताली मिस जब देख लिया मी इकडून स्क्रीन शेअर केली
Hello.
येस
ये क्या आपका है
Sanvi Shetty, please mute yourself. Sanvi Shetty. Teacher, no button you remove.
चैताली मिस मी इकडून स्क्रीन शेअर केली
Hello.
येस
Sanvi Shetty, please mute yourself. Sanvi Shetty. Teacher, no button you remove. Hello.
येस
Sanvi Shetty, please mute yourself. Sanvi Shetty. Teacher, no button you remove. Hello.
येस
Sanvi Shetty, please mute yourself. Sanvi Shetty. Teacher, no button you remove. Sanvi Shetty, please mute yourself. Sanvi Shetty. Teacher, no button you remove.
Okay.
Thanks, everyone, my dear students,
Yes, sir.
parents,
I would like to
teachers,
add
and
some.
madam.
Sir.
Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to host the Yoga Day session. Hopefully, you must have enjoyed. And once again, thank you everyone and happy 7th International Yoga Day 2021.
Okay. Sir, I would like to add something.
Yes.
Yes. First and foremost, myself, Ashna Bhattani, on behalf of AVA Education Society and Shrimati Taramai Vartak Memorial Academy, an entire fraternity of our institution. First of all, I would like to extend my most sincere thanks to the Almighty God to make today's event a resounding success. I extend a really hearty vote of thanks to our headmistress, Mrs. Ranjana Kolvankar, madam, as this was not possible without you. My gratitude to our one and only Mr. Akshay Khanvilkar, sir, for conducting and hosting such a beautiful webinar to help us rejuvenate our body and also giving us the in-depth knowledge of these beautiful asanas. We also understood why a particular asana is performed and how it can affect us in a very beautiful manner. I would also like to thank the technical team, Mrs. Tanvi Vartak teacher and Mrs. Chaitali teacher for this beautiful, without any glitches webinar. I would also like to thank our teachers and dear parents for your wonderful support. Lastly, I would like to thank our budding rock stars who made this event enjoyable with your impressive asanas. So, my dear children, please take care, stay home, stay safe, stay digital. And lastly, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to say my vote of thanks. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. With this, we end our session for today.
Thank you, Miss. Okay, so with the Ranjana ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Veda. Ranjana ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Akshay sir. It was a wonderful
Yes, ma'am.
experience.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
I hope children have enjoyed.
Yes. So, ma'am, should we end?
Ma'am,
Yeah,
should
yeah.
I end the
Yes,
session?
Ashna teacher.
Yes, madam.
Yes, yeah, yeah. Okay,
I
fine,
had
fine.
given my vote
Yes,
of thanks.
yes,
So
yes,
with this,
yes,
we will
please.
end our lecture.
Yes,
So,
yes.
admin, please end the meeting.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, all of you.
Sir, enjoy the lecture.